Well, g'day. Just putting a bit of a bracket on the e-bike for the Kolpin gun boot. And I've got this part of the rack for the milk crate or whatever box I want to put on here. I'm not even sure yet. I might buy a lock-up box, something waterproof. And anyway, that's how it's mounted. It's not going anywhere, like strong as, doesn't rattle. Just hit that out of that. There's no rattle at all. The weld's a bit shit there. I blew a hole in the gavel. But I'm just a self-taught sort of farm boy with a welder. But that's going to be really good. I'm going to put another one on the other side for a shotty. We'll run 2 guns of a night, maybe, if it's really good weather. But I'll be in the side beside of a night. This will be my day running rig. Go have a stalk around a bit on it. Maybe have a snake up on a deer or a pig, and then just do a bit of sensitive pony to get to it. But I wasn't going to spend $170. I was going to spend $170. Something like beam off. $170 just for a mount. And I went, you got to be joking me, and it probably wouldn't even fit the rack that I've got anyway. So just cranking this one up on my own, just ginning about. Anyway, I'll get back to you when we've got the other side done and all mounted up, hopefully. Catch us in a bit. Well, good day. And I'm back. I've just finished this rack. I just ran you over it in the bike. It's a Kickway, dual motor, dual battery, 48 watts, 3000 peak watt power to the motors. The legs are killing at the moment, but anyway. And that's the Kolpin racks that I knocked up. Little mounts. Sorry about the shadow from the camera. And the headlights I can show you. Good old milk crate. I might end up painting this black. Most of the bike. But that's how it's mounted through that. And then down through the whole, I measured them out there at 165 between. 165 mil to give it an angle with a dangle. And the heat of the meat. And, your welds could have been a little bit better, but they're not going to break, I can tell you. Like, I'm swinging off this bike and I'm lifting the front wheel off the ground with the batteries. So it's not going to go far. That's the display. If I turn the headlight off, it goes brighter for daylight mode. Duller for night. So glare. It's got brakes, turn signals. Not that I need that out in the paddock. I suppose I could let the deer and pigs know which way I'm going. Don't want to crash an enemy. But I'll be building a rack off the front forks here. I've got some more of these headlight brackets coming, and I'll make a really substantial rack on the front there. Carry all the ammo on that on right at hand's reach. So I can shoot off the front of the bike with a crossbar coming for the handlebars, like a bar stiffener. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it's coming up. But it's got twin exhausts, twin smoke stick exhaust. But yeah, that's it. That's how she's rolling. And I thought I'd just show you how it all went together. You know, I had to pinch the steel here, so I had enough reach with the pin to go on the other side. I might even See if I can source some longer pins for you that'll make me own. But they're the ones that come with the Kolpins. They'll need a bit of clean up. They'll get dirty anyway, but it's just not going to go anywhere like that. That's a strong edge. It'll have to snap the rack off the bike. Touch wood. Where's the wood? Yeah, touch wood on that one, eh? But yeah, so that's how it's come up. Pretty happy. Anyway, I thought I'd just show you how you can make your own Kolpin boot or Kolpin boot mounts for attachments. Because at $170 for a mount, it's just, that's crazy. And that's Australia. In America, it's $50, you know. But anyway, we're not in America. We're in the land of Boers with a grubby government. And everything's going to get dearer and dearer unless we change it. Catch you later.